Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. I hope you are fine. I am going to discuss mathematics class second year chapter number 1 functions and limit. In this lecture I will solve exercise number 1.2 question number 1 that is most relevant for paper's point of view. If you like my lecture then please subscribe, share, like and press bell icon for latest update on my YouTube channel. Let's start question 1. The real valued function f and g are defined below. Find a f of g into x, b g of f of x, c part f of x, and d part g of x. Question 1 part and next question number 1 part number 3. F of x is equal to 1 divided by under root of x minus 1 domain x naught is equal to 1, where g of x is equal to x square plus 1 whole square. First we solve f of g of x. F of g of x can also be written in the form of f into g of x is equal to f of g of x is equal to x square plus 1 whole square. F of x square plus 1 whole square is equal to 1 divided by under root x replaced by whole value x square minus plus 1 whole square. Next minus 1 replace x by x square plus 1 whole square minus 1 divided by under root of x square plus 1 whole square minus 1 is equal to 1 divided by x power 4 plus 1 plus 2 x square minus 1 over under root is equal to 1 divided by minus 1 plus minus cancel x power 4 plus 2 x square under root is equal to taking common x square, so x common into 1 divided by is equal to 1 divided by x into x square plus 2 under root. So f of g of x is equal to 1 divided by x under root of x square plus 2. Next, second part, b g of f of x is g of f of x is equal to g into f of x. So g into f of x is equal to 1 divided by under root of x minus 1. So g into 1 divided by under root of x minus 1, value of g is equal to x square. First 1 divided by x minus 1 under root x, it means x square, so whole square plus 1 whole square. Next, 1 square is equal to 1 divided by under root of x minus 1 whole square, square root cancel, plus 1 whole square is equal to 1 divided by x minus 1 plus 1 whole square. Next, taking LCM, x minus 1 LCM, x minus divided LCM 1 time 1 multiply 1 1 plus denominator has no term, so x minus 1 plus 1 minus 1 cancel. G of f of x is equal to x divided by x minus 1. Next, C part f of x. So f of x can also be written in the form f into f of x is equal to f of x is equal to 1 divided by x minus 1 under root is equal to put 1 divided by under root of x minus 1 in f of x. So 1 divided by under root of x replaced by 1 divided by under root of x minus 1 minus 1 divided by x replaced by 1 divided by under root of x minus 1. Next, minus 1, so is equal to 1 divided by x minus 1 under root 1 minus taking LCM under root of x minus 1 whole under root, which is the required solution. 1. Next, D part, g of x. So g of x is equal to g into g of x is equal to g into g of x is equal to under root of x square plus 1 whole square is equal to g into x square plus 1 whole square. Can also be written x replaced by x square plus 1 whole square. It means square because x in square form plus 1 plus 1 whole square is equal to x square plus 1 whole power 4 plus 1. So g of x is equal to x square plus 1 whole power 4 plus x square, which is the required solution. Next, question number 1, part number 4. First, a f of g of x. So f of g of x is equal to f into g of x. So f into g of x is equal to 2 divided by under root of x. F into 2 divided by under root of x. So 3 replace x by 2 divided by under root of x whole power 4 minus 2 x replaced by 2 divided by under root of x whole square is equal to 3 into 2 power 4 under root of x power 4. It means can also be written x square whole square root cancel, minus 2 into 2 square divided by under root of x whole square root cancel is equal to 3 into 2 power 4, 2 times 4, 4 2 times 8, 8 2 times 16. It means 2 power 4 can also be written 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 2, 2 2 times 4, 4 2 times 8, 8 2 times 16, 16 divided by x whole square, x square, minus 2 into 2 2 times 4 divided by x. Next, 16 times 48 divided by x square, minus 2 4 times 8 divided by x. Taking LCM, x square 48 minus 8x f of g of x. Next, B part, g of f of x. Solution g into f of x is equal to g of f of x. F of x is equal to 3x power 4 minus 2x square. So put in g is equal to 2 divide under root of x, x replaced by 3x power 4 minus 2x square whole under root. This will be equal to g of f of x. Next, C part, f of x. Solution f of x is equal to f into f of x is equal to f into f of x is equal to 3, or this can also be written 2 divided by x into 3x square minus 2. Next, f into f of x. So 3 x power 4 minus 2x square, f into 3x power 4 minus 2x square. So 3 into x, 3x power 4 minus 2x square minus 2, x replaced by power 4, 3x power 4 minus 2x square whole square. Next, f of x is equal to this form, or taking common 3x 4 minus 2x square whole square. So 3 into x power 4 minus 2 f of x. Next part 4. D part g of x, g into g of x is equal to g into g of x is equal to 2 divide under root of x, so into, so 2 divide under root of x, it means x replaced by 2 under root of x, it means x replaced by 2 divided under root of x, or under root is equal to 2 divided under root of 2 all divided by under root of under root x, all under root can also return 2 divided by under root of x, 2 divide under root of 2, so under root of 2 into under root of x. Education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world. If you like my lecture, then please subscribe, share, like and press bell icon for latest update on my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching my YouTube lecture.